see it. There they are. The bushings are still good. Everything's still good. Just a little bit of, you know, bubbling right there from rust. But again, they're 7 years old. And they got at least 40,000 miles on them. Yeah, it's the first pier that was made for the 4th gen. I called Spence back in the day. We collaborated and went back and forth with measurements and sizes and bolt holes and this and that. And after a couple tries, we got the right one. I'll be keeping these for sure. I'm definitely gonna put these on the wall after my shop's done as a display because they're just commemorative and I love them. And I got just the lowers again. Again, that was the whole purpose for these back in 7 years ago, was to stop wheel hop. Anybody that has a stock ram or has a stock lower control arms knows that it just wheel hops very badly because of the stock rubber bushings, which are right in front of my face, right there. They move too much, causes wheel hop. So we went to CORE4x4. It solved the problem. It was a great thing. And they came out with uppers, and I think Joey Bellagio started going crazy with his truck and did everything CORE4x4, which looks sick. But for me, personally, I just wanted to stop the wheel hop. And it's nice looking as well. When it's nice out, you can see underneath there and see a nice little control arm. So here's my new set. I hope Cameron doesn't get mad because they sent me the wrong size. They sent me the wrong set, I should say. I opened the box and I'm like, what the heck are these? They look like mini drive shafts. They were huge and the bushing was really wide. It was no big deal to me. I was in no rush to put these on. Contacted Cameron and he's like, oops, wrong truck. It was for a 2500. I'm like, no big deal, But he sent the right ones. I got them now. But I mean, these things were beefy, man. They were thick, solid aluminum. They look like, to me, they look like drive shafts, but just really beefy. And if I had a 2500, I definitely want those. I mean, it's just beefy. But these are the new ones I got. These are going to replace the ones I have from 7 years ago. And real quick, doing my shop over finally. Got all side saddle, a bunch of floor joists. It's wicked beefy. Open cell foam on the ceiling, closed cell on the wall. Put a partition up. And got blue board coming soon. I'm gonna throw some skip trowel plaster everywhere and it's gonna be sweet. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Gonna have my shop finally done. I'm gonna put hydraulic, about 16 feet of hydronic baseboard heat, 8 foot there and 8 foot there, with an inline thermostat right there, coming out the wall. It's gonna be sweet. And shout out to Mose before I forget. Yeah, finally. That's why I haven't done the cam. I've been working in here on the weekends in this Jay's cam, Greene Racing, Stage 2 V2 cam. And once this place is done, I will then pull the truck in. This will all be open and work on my cam here. And I got the gym going over there, truck in the middle, and then storage and saws and stuff over here. Let's open this thing up. Yeah, shout out to CORE4x4. Cameron's been really good communicating. I have nothing but good things to say about their customer service and their product, because the product's just awesome. Never had a problem with any of their products. You're all probably wondering what kind I got. And the kind I got. But before I show you, I gotta show you my shop because it's all done. Check this out. Got a gym over there now. Put shellac in all the posts. Skip trowel, lights, my crap's all organized. I gotta flip that flag around. Most performance. It's all done. The floor is painted. My truck is now going here. I got heat over there. All done. Pretty quick, huh? I put rigid insulation in between the squares and put another 1/2 inch of rigid over the door to winterize it. So my truck go right here. And I can now work on it in peace, quiet, and heat. Pumped. You got a picture of Roger's truck over there, my truck. At New England Dragway. Got all my stuff back up. These gifts I gotten throughout the years from people in metal shops. A little keychain holder. That's sweet. Some raw iron right here. Some raw steel. Ram logo. Yeah, man. I might start working out again. That was like a magic trick. Okay, back to the flow control arms. I got the aluminum race series from CORE4x4. These things, they're light. They're pretty light. They're solid aluminum. Obviously, except for where the threads go in on the Johnny joints. But I'll do a weight difference between these and the ones I have. And the ones I have are gonna go right up here, I think, for this on display. The first set for a 4th gen. I'll put them right there on the beam. But yeah, my Howig bar is silver. The Viking shocks are silver, and these are aluminum, so it's gonna look good underneath the truck. I guess CORE4x4 used to make these a little thinner. They were like 2-inch. Now they're 2.5, I believe. But yeah, they're beefy, super strong. I'll slap those on. I'll do a video of putting these in. Then, I don't know, before or after, I'll do a video on the cam install I can now do in my shop. It's gonna be nice. I can pull the truck in, take my time, and take the heads off, do what I gotta do to get the cam in. Let me turn the light on real quick so you can get a close-up of the aluminum lower control arms. There you go. Johnny joint. Greasable Johnny joint. There it is. This is the aluminum race series. Core lower control arms for the Ram 1500. I have a 2017, so I think they go up to, I don't know, I gotta look it up, 2022, 21, 20, 19? Don't know. It says on the website though. I'll put their website below in the description so you can check them out. And thanks to Cameron and Spence for, creating a great product. We looked for them back in 2017 for the 4th gen Rams. And there was Spone, but Spone had trouble with their bolt, kept loosening. And we came across CORE4x4, and it's been, glorious ever since. If you get a stock truck and you get the lower control arms, the stock control arms, the rubber bushing, rubber just causes movements. When you peel out, it goes, These solve it. You can do upper, lower, panhard from CORE4x4, but these alone solve the whole wheel hop problem. And they really do make a great product, CORE4x4. And these are really simple to install as well. So I'll do an install video with these. A quick one just to show you, if it's your first time, show you how to pop them on real quick. And this also kind of answers the question, where should the Johnny joint go to the front, to the back? Look at that, I got 2 Johnny joints, so it doesn't matter, does it? As you can see in the video of my other ones, they're in the front. And people were fighting online for a while. Oh, they go in the back, they go in the front. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you install them correctly. All right, guys, thanks for watching CORE4x4. Thanks again. Great product, great customer service. If you don't have a set, you should get some. Either steel, aluminum, whatever you want to pay for. I got the cam install coming soon as well. Got to install Jay's Stage 2 V2 cam. Looking forward to that, a little more aggressive. Probably gonna hang up the HPT cam too. I don't know if it's, I gotta check it because it's making, to me, it's making a weird ticking noise. So I don't know if it's in good condition. I might sell it. I don't know. I might just hang it up for looks. The shop could use a nice rock cam hanging, from the ceiling. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. If you're tuned, stay tuned. Peace.